Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can trim the video in VN editor. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the VN editor and now we have to click on this plus icon. So I'm going to click on this plus icon. If you want to open a recent projects, you can also do that. As you can see, these both projects are provided here, but I'm going to click on the plus icon. And now we have to click on the new project here. So let's click on the new. We have to choose this option video based. So let's click on the save. And now we have to go to the video section. If you want to choose the videos, then you have to go to the video section. For example, I want to choose this one, or you can choose any of video which is specific for you. For example, I'm going to choose this video here. Now I'm going to click on this icon here. So as you can see, now we are redirected to the editing mode. You can see now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the part that where we want to trim. For example, I'm going to click on this trim icon,
If
trim
you are
option.
an
And
average
after
looking
clicking on
guy
this, as you can
between
see, now you'll be
13
able
to
to see the original.
21 years
If you
old
want
looking
to
to
trim the
glow
zero
up
point 0.1
before
second,
school
you have to
start,
click on this,
if
as you
if
can
if
see.
if
Or
if
if you
if
want
if
to
if
trim
if
0.3, you can
if
also
you
click on
if you
this. If you
if you
want to
if you
trim the 1 second, if you
if
want
you
to
are
trim the
an
2.5 second,
if you are
2.22
if
is
you
also
are an
provided here. You
average
can
looking
make it
guy
customized as well. For example, I'm gonna make this like as well. So as you can see, I want this part should be trimmed. Now
if you
simply we
are
have to
an
click on the
average
right icon and the video will be trimmed. So in this way you can trim the video on the VN editor. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.